Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. If prices, product codes, features are available, of course, I would be putting it here. And guys, you know the drill in our practice here. If you like anything so far with the bags that we are going to discuss, kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. So guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Premier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! LV has just showed their latest runway collection, Spring-Summer 2024 at Paris Fashion Week. I have collated most of the new Louis Vuitton bags and will be available next year. We will discuss what's hot and not. Photos are via Vogue.com. Happy shopping, guys! Let us start first with the new designs under the Spring-Summer 2024 collection. So guys, these are not their official names. So the first one, we have a quote-unquote slouchy shoulder bag design. So this is a new design, shoulder bag in a slouchy look. Color is orange. It looks like a side chuck with a detachable top handle, and it also comes with a padlock and LV on the side of the bag. Next, we have the S-Lock shoulder bag. This is a north-south style shoulder bag style. Material is an exotic leather. It features the classic Louis Vuitton S-Lock closure. It comes with the clochette, detachable and adjustable leather strap. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton camera bag with the Louis Vuitton camera itself. So material is genuine leather. It also comes with the Louis Vuitton camera with the LV monogram. It has the made of leather with leather neck strap. Then we have the camera clutch bag. Hopefully I am correct that this is a clutch bag. Material is monogram coated canvas with genuine leather trim. Next, we have the LV logo top handle bag. So this one, the design is a giant LV logo. This is a top handle bag design. It is made of leather. Guys, what do you think of this new design? Honestly, this is not me. This is too much logo in a bag. So it comes in a better version, in my opinion. So we have the LV logo top handle bag, but this time it is made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims, and it also comes with the beautiful vachetta leather bag tag. So again, this is better compared to the first one that we have discussed earlier. And then we have an S-Lock messenger bag style with S-Lock feature. So as we are going to notice, it is made of genuine leather, and the leather resembles the dame ebene pattern. It comes with detachable gold chain strap with zipper closure on top. And then we have the new bag, so cube trunk bag style. So it comes in two colorways. So we have the white, and it comes in the noir or black. This would be perfect for evening or party bag. It is a micro trunk bag style with S-Lock closure and metal corners with chain bag strap. So this is the black version. So which do you prefer, guys? Do you prefer the white or black? So as you know me, I would definitely prefer the black one. I love the black and gold combination. Next, we have a summer top handle bag. This would be perfect for your summer getaway. So I'm not really sure what material the main body of the bag is, but I could see that it comes with vachetta leather trims, and the top handle is fully detachable as well. Next, we have new pochette design. So first one is made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. And as we could see, it comes with padlock and it has the LV logo at the side of the bag, and the vachetta strap is fully detachable. This design comes in tweed, as we could see here. So it's the same exact bag but just in different material. It comes with leather trim as well. I like this one as also, and how beautiful that it comes with the padlock, and it has the logo at the side of the bag and logo Louis Vuitton in front of the bag. Then we have another new pochette bag style. So this one is made of the new Dame Ebin canvas. It is a little bit darker in color and it comes with leather trims. It has a detachable and adjustable vachetta leather strap. And then we have another new monogram shoulder bag. It is made of monogram canvas with vachetta leather trim. Comes with detachable chain strap. It also has a padlock and vachetta clochette. What do you think? This one, guys, I like the style. It looks gorgeous. Alright, so guys, we have the very first inspired runway bag of LV. So we have a slim vanity bag, as we could see. Obviously, this is inspired by the LORO PIANA bag, made of exotic leather. It is a slim vanity bag design, single top handle with padlock, clochette, and detachable strap. Then it also comes in the orange colorway. So as we could see, Louis Vuitton is very aware of what's on trend, what's on season, and what people is loving, and they want to make sure that they have this bag style. So guys, what do you think? This is again obviously inspired by LORO PIANA, and now we have reinvented Louis Vuitton LV classic style. So first we have the side chunk. Guys, I think that they are going to bring back the My LV World Tour with new stickers, as we could see here. So it is the classic Louis Vuitton side chunk, and I'm not sure if it's a PM size, but we could see that it comes with the stickers. Then this side chunk, guys, in the Dame Azur did not walk the runway, but Louis Vuitton is showing this on Instagram as a preview of their latest runway collection. So I would just like to show it here because I'm pretty sure that they are going to release this by Spring-Summer 2024. And then we have the LV Go 14 bag. So again, this is the new flagship bag of Louis Vuitton, made of the very beautiful quilted leather. It comes with a top handle, and I believe it also comes with a longer strap, so you could wear this as a crossbody. Then we have the return of the Papillon bag. So this one comes in two colorways. So the very first, it comes in the black leather, and it also comes in the classic monogram with reverse mono and black leather trim. So it has S-lock closure with detachable chain strap. And then we have the classic square bag. The material is classic monogram canvas with reverse monogram, and it comes with black leather trims as well. Another reimagined classic, so we have the soft Dauphine. So this one comes in the very beautiful slouchy design. I am responding to this design positively. I also love that it comes with a leather material that makes the bag looks really luxurious. Another reimagined bag, so we have the Alma BB north-south configurations. As we could see here, they have reimagined the classic Alma BB in classic epi leather detail. It only comes with single top handle, but everything else is the same. So guys, I would also like to bring to your attention another inspired bag of LV. So I feel that they have reimagined the Alma PM. However, they were inspired by the FENDI Peekaboo. So as you could see here, so it is a PM style, but the design is a little bit slouchy. It really does remind me of a slouchy FENDI Peekaboo. So it comes also with the belt. It comes with the twist lock closure, just like with the classic Fendi Peekaboo. So guys, please do comment down below what do you think of this style. Are you lusting for this style as well? Honestly, I'm not really sure. Among the Almas that are come out of the runway, for me it would be the north-south configuration versus this one, because I feel that they could have designed this a little bit better and veered away from the peekaboo style. Again guys, this is just my opinion. I would love to hear from you, so kindly comment down below what do you think of the soft Alma PM. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, you know the drill guys. Kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would super appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you guys for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!